Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to restore your Samsung without any USB. And this happened with Samsung laptops whereby they give you recovery solutions. And this our case, you have to click on F4 to get the recovery solution. So in my case here, I'm having a Windows 7 Samsung 400B. I'm going to power on the computer, then I will rapidly click on F4. So when I click on F4 to show me that it has been accepted the command, then this is having a partition on the drive that has all those files for recovering the system. So this is very important for you to recover your images, like you recover your computer just by like the way we had reset phones. So this is going to be the same thing. You don't have to get a USB with Windows or a USB flash disk. So this is the Samsung Recovery Solution 5. So I'm going to show you how to do the process very quickly. In my case, I have a computer that I want to, this computer, same computer, I want to clean everything. I don't want any data on it. I want to reformat and recover to the new Windows. So when you reach this point, as you can see here, we have restore, backup, and also software. I'm going to go to restore, and here they show you some of the symptoms that cause errors, and they give you a variety of options to choose. So in my case here, I'm going to click on restore. And for restore, there is basic restoration, whereby you just restore the major files in the Windows computer itself. Then the other option is completely restore your Windows. Then here is data restore. So here you have to use this option whereby you're going to clean everything and nothing will be left. Then I'm going to click on that. Then it is showing me the date in 2012 when it was lastly the previous option. Then when I reach here, I'm going to click on next. So when I click on next, it is telling me restore will delete all the data on the Windows drive. Then I'm going to accept yes, and the process will start to restore the system. So you have to leave this to complete, to take a little bit of some time. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, comment for more help, and also share. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my videos. So the process has started, and this will take a little bit longer for the process to finish. So thanks for watching. This is how you do it, and have a nice time. I'm logging out. Goodbye.